This video is not affiliated or endorsed by Kaiser Permanente. I created these videos to help patients better understand how to perform the most common shoulder pulley exercises. The first exercise in this series is called standing shoulder flexion. You can see that the pulleys are lifting my arm in front. There's a couple variations you can use for this, but basically what we're doing is when my left hand is pulling the pulley down, it is also pulling the right hand up. I can use a palm down grip, a palm up grip, or my favorite is what's called a neutral grip. I'm going to grab over the handles and the rope, keeping my hands in this neutral position. This exercise would typically be repeated for 2 to 3 minutes per episode, 1 to 2 episodes per day. Some of my patients prefer to be seated, so what you would do is position the chair facing the door. This is going to limit the level of overhead flexion. You're going to use any of the 3 grips already described to perform repeated overhead flexion. This is active assisted range of motion. Once again, this would be performed 2 to 3 minutes, 2 to 3 times a day. Now to advance this exercise, we're going to turn our back to the doorway. We're going to hold the handles and perform the repeated active assisted range of motion for shoulder flexion. If you'd like to increase range of motion, you can pull the string through the pulley handle. These are adjustable pulleys, and what you would do is tie a loose knot wherever you want to position the handle so that you shorten the pulley rope to increase shoulder flexion range of motion. And now you can see here I'm going into nearly full overhead shoulder flexion, which is roughly 180 degrees of shoulder flexion at the glenohumeral joint. Once again, you can use different hand positions. This is the neutral grip that I like more than anything, but overhand, underhand, or neutral are all good grips to practice. Here is an example of the reverse grip, and we can even advance this to a reverse grip that rotates. So if you watch my hands carefully, you can see that I turn palm down and then turn palm back. The next exercise is a standing internal rotation. Now I'm going to do this a little differently. The shoulder that I'm stretching has the elbow against the door. What this does, it helps me to maintain a neutral shoulder position while I'm using the left hand to pull down on the pulley in front. It passively raises the hand behind me. The last exercise is lateral and internal rotation. Basically what I do is I reposition the pulley about mid-arm level, and as one hand pulls in, the other hand pulls out. This could be done both right side and left side. It is a resisted motion on one arm and an assisted motion on the other.